Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you get the error, camera is being used by another application, then please watch this video. So here's the thing. One application can use the camera at one point of time. If you're using the camera on multiple applications like on the camera app and Microsoft Teams, then it will not work. So in that case, you will have to close one of the applications. If it still doesn't help after that, then I'll give you a very simple trick. You can restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and restart your computer. Now, there may be a rare situation where the background app is using your camera and you might not know which app it is. So, here's what you can do in that case. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.